A woman says she's looking for a mature Christian. Sounds really, how to say that? Sounds really that you want to care, right? What it says. Of course, I care Christians to become mature. But I don't think she knows what it is to be a mature Christian. Anyway, I just answer her and says, what did I say? I forgot what did I say. No, what I say is I ask her, oh really? You are looking for matured Christians? And then I ask her, why is that? Is it because you ain't mature yet? You're not mature yet? Then proceed on to say, well, at least you know what it is to be a mature Christian. Because it's a mature Christian. Sounds like she knows the description of a mature Christian. How about you people? Did you know what it is to be a mature Christians? So, but I didn't say that. What did I say? In our thread, there's a lot of, and also in Instagram. Oh, there's a lot of immodesty there, and how to say that? I don't know how to say that. Parrot, I should say, parrot preachers. Oh, possibly they know nothing about the application of their message themselves. So yes, I told her, I said, well, at least you know what it is to become a mature Christian. So, and proceed to say that, well, knowing knowing how to become a mature Christian and doing to become a mature Christian or being a mature Christian is two different things. I mean, if you only have knowledge how to become a mature Christian and you are not a mature Christian and you don't want to do something like a mature Christian is doing, then it has no different from stealing. That's what I told her. Or it has no different from murder, from adultery, you know, from abortion. That's what James says. To him who knoweth to do what is good, and he didn't do it, that is sin.